welcome to our new content. This time, let's do fire alarm layout, that is conventional system. So this fire alarm layout, ito yung nagde-detect once merong smoke. So nagde-detect yung nag-alarm yung detector, and then magbabato ng signal doon sa fire alarm panel. So yung application nito is actually office. If you look on the screen, meron tayong floor plan. So merong hallway, merong pantry, comfort room, conference room, CEO's office, manager's area, storage, tsaka yung workstations. So ito yung gawin natin ng fire alarm layout. So before that, dapat ma-familiarize tayo sa mga symbols na pwede natin gamitin. Okay, so at the left side, so this one is HD, known as heat detector. When we say SD, that is smoke detector. FECP, known as fire alarm control panel. EOLR, and ang blind resistor. So ito yung ikabit natin at the end of the circuit once yung system natin is conventional. And then we have manual pole station with strobe. So once nag-trigger yung panel board, so nag-bell itong ating strobe. Okay, so to do that, actually ang sabi sa code, that dapat isang enclosed space, dapat meron kang isang smoke detectors na ilagay. And then yung isang yung smoke detector, ilagay mo lang siya doon sa area where yung nagpo-prone yung mga light materials, yung madali mag emit ng smoke. So si heat detector, ilagay mo siya doon sa portion na merong heat na ma-detect. So actually, usually nilalagay siya sa kitchen. So for sure, we have sa pantry. Actually, pwede siyang ilagay rito sa pantry. Actually, wala naman siyang burner. So siguro we can have a smoke detector. Okay, so to do, so let's start making the layout. So first, okay, ang sabi sa code, isang enclosed space, meron kang isang smoke detector. Okay, so we have CEO's office, and then sa storage, pwedeng lagyan ng isa. Conference room, okay, can we have one smoke detector? Sa pantry, pwedeng isa. Sa comfort room, isa. So at sa hallway, so pwede nating lagyan from here because blind spot. So we have this one. Sa workstation, actually yung distance ng isang detector to detector is 9 meters. So 9 times 9 is 81 square meters yung zone na kaya niyang i-protect sa smoke. So from this, so we can have kahit isa lang ilagay natin dito. And then after you place the smoke detectors, so next is the location of FECP or fire alarm control panel. So ito yon. So we can have kahit dito ilagay sa the back. Actually glass. So di ka pwede maglagay rito. Okay, so we can put at the storage. Okay, so dyan natin ilagay si FECP. Okay, so after that, pwede ka na mag-wiring. So to do, start ka rito. Okay, so from here, at parents room, next is sa pantry, i-connect rin natin. After that, itong sa CR, then sa hallway. So next is ito at the end, and then to make the circuit maganda tingnan, so pwede ka pili to or jumper. That is pili, okay? And then at the end of this smoke detector, so lagyan natin ng EOLR, or known as end of line resistor. Lagyan natin. And then itong first smoke detectors, ito yung pumunta ng ECP or fire alarm panel. Okay, so after that, pwede ka na mag-label. To determine that ito yung smoke detectors, baka mapansing heat detectors. After that, so actually meron pa tayong nalimutan. So meron pang isang manual pole station with strobe. So saan natin siya ilagay? Ilagay natin siya doon sa portion na actually kahit rito, hindi yung glass din naman totally sagad yung glass. So pwede kang maglagay somewhere here. Ito sa poste na lang. Okay, i-rotate natin. So once tumunog ito, means to say merong nag-detect ng smoke. Okay, so means to say yung ating EOLR is pinaka-last. See, so mag-tap tayo ng circuit dyan. Okay, yun. Okay, so after that, pwede ka na mag-label or pwede kang maglagay na ng bearing to visualize ilang smoke detectors yung ikabit natin. So this is number 1. Okay, so number 1 is number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, saka number 7. Ito is number 3. Number 4. This is number 5. This is number 6. Then this is number 7. Actually, pwede mo rin naman din lagyan, but from here, para mas madali mong ma-visualize kung ilang numbers yung ISD ang ilagay natin. Okay, so actually ito na yan. We're done on the layout already. So ito yung paano mag-layout ng smoke detector sa AutoCAD. Then next is lagyan natin ng single line diagram. So paano ba? So yung one line diagram ng ating system is ganito lang. So actually reference ka ng panel mo, if ECP ito yon. and then tap ka ng power supply. So from the panel, so nakabit ka agad yung detectors natin. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ito rin, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after that, meron tayong manual pull station with strobe. So ito yon, next na number 7. And then EOLR or end of line resistor. Okay, so yung size of wire natin, actually yung current niya is maliit lang. So we can use 1.5 square mm TF twisted pair shielded cable in 20 mm diameter IMC, or pwede ka rin gumamit ng EMT. Okay, so ito yung one line diagram ng ating conventional system na fire alarm layout. Okay, so mabilis lang siya gawin. Actually, depende rin sa laki ng area. Pag more than, actually pag mga high rise na, so medyo complicated na rin. For this is simple layout to visualize yung paano gawin. Okay, so I hope meron kayong na-learn sa ating discussion ngayon. So please subscribe para kayo updated sa mga videos na every time i-upload ko.